Looking for wedding dress rental in Salt Lake City? Or wedding dress rental within the Utah area? Unless you are one of those lucky ladies who never, ever has trouble finding items that fit you perfectly straight off the rack, there's a good chance your bridal attire will require alterations. If you are having something custom made, you will probably need to have at least 2 fittings. In my experience, 3 fittings for a mass-produced wedding dress is common. If at all possible, start with a dress, or outfit, that is your size, or very, very close to it. While it is often possible to size a dress up or down, don't count on being able to take in or let out a dress by more than 1 or 2 sizes. Many dresses do not contain enough seam allowance to let out that much, and with fabrics like velvet and satin, the original seam lines will show. If you have not yet purchased your attire, please resist the urge to buy something that is on sale but several sizes too big. Garments that are much too large for the intended wearer often need to basically be taken apart and recut in order to hang properly on the body. This is such a labor-intensive process it can quickly eat whatever money you save, and then some. To get your wedding dress altered in Salt Lake City, or the Utah area, give us a call today.